Welcome to Auto Creative Zone, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews, launches, and updates. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Honda Passport, a mid-size SUV that combines rugged styling, advanced technology, and family-friendly practicality. Whether you're driving through the city or heading out on weekend adventures, the Passport is designed to fit every lifestyle. Bold exterior design. The 2026 Honda Passport receives a refreshed exterior that makes it stand out in the crowded SUV market. The redesigned front fascia features a bold grille with chrome and black accents, sharper LED headlights, and a sportier bumper design. The muscular body lines give it a tough, confident presence, while roof rails and wider wheel arches emphasize its adventurous spirit. New alloy wheel designs and a selection of vibrant paint colors add more personalization options, making the Passport look both rugged and refined. Spacious interior and comfort. Step inside, and the Passport welcomes you with a roomy cabin designed for both comfort and practicality. It offers generous seating for 5, with plush, ergonomically designed seats covered in premium materials. The wide center console provides deep storage, and the rear seats fold flat to create an expansive cargo area, perfect for camping gear, sports equipment, or a big shopping trip. Soft touch finishes, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof give the interior a modern and premium feel, ideal for long drives. Advanced technology. At the heart of the interior is a newly upgraded infotainment system. The Passport now comes with a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded voice command system. Multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a premium sound system ensure passengers stay connected and entertained on every journey. Honda also adds a customizable digital driver display, giving real-time information about navigation, performance, and safety alerts. Power and performance. The 2026 Passport continues with Honda's reliable 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering smooth acceleration and robust power for both city driving and highway cruising. Paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission, it provides a balanced mix of efficiency and capability. The available all-wheel drive system, paired with intelligent traction management, ensures stability and control across rough terrains, snow, or rain. With improved suspension tuning, the Passport strikes the perfect balance between daily comfort and off-road readiness. Towing and adventure capability. For those who need more than just daily driving, the Passport delivers impressive utility. It offers a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, making it perfect for hauling trailers, boats, or camping equipment. Features like hill descent control, multiple drive modes, and reinforced underbody